Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share for my swap partner. So I totally have been wanting to make this little boombox, and it's Christian had done a tutorial, but her tutorial doesn't, I mean, it gives you some of the instructions, but a lot of it, she just figured out on her own, how she was gonna piece it together and stuff. So I just kind of tried to figure it out on my own. So don't laugh, because it's a little bit not proportional compared to how hers is. But she made hers to look like the Doodle Pop sticker, where the boombox was yellow. So I actually am working on one like that for myself, but I decided to make one for my swap partner because part of the theme that I'm giving her stuff is retro kind of things. So I did the records and the old TV and the cassette tapes and that kind of stuff. So I thought the boombox would be another cute addition to that whole theme. So anyway, the thing that I messed up on is the size of the speakers. I think I should have made them a little bit smaller, maybe this size instead, the silver one. But I had already glued it on by the time I figured everything out, so it was kind of too late. So I had to kind of improvise and make my own cassette tape, so don't laugh how I did that, because it doesn't look like the other ones. I wanted to use the tape die that I had bought, but it's way bigger. It takes up a huge space. And so now I have this empty spot here, which looks a little weird, but other than that, it's pretty much the same thing that she did. I really like her idea of using the thickers to make the eyes and the mouth. And then how she made the speaker, the knobs and that kind of stuff. Sorry, this one's a little bit crooked. And then this part I was struggling with too is making the buttons for the top. And I had to remember, because it was stop, play, rewind, fast forward, and eject, right? So you needed 5 at least. And then for the handle, I just kind of figured it out on my own. But what I ended up doing to make it stronger is I added acetate underneath it, so that hopefully if she carries it like that, it won't fall apart. So anyway, so that is the packaging for what I'm gonna be giving her. And so let me just share with you what I made. So inside, it's like a pizza box style where the lid will just stay attached, and I ended up making the flowers because I can't stop making these flowers. So these are the same ones that is inspired by Lori, and then I also made the bows that are inspired by Wandy Sweets and Serenity Creations. And I thought it would be really cute to add the little pom-poms in the middle. So I just made a variety of types and sizes using that same collection. The what is this collection? It's the Kate and Ash collection, and they have a lot of retro looking stuff in there, so that's why I wanted to use that for the majority of the retro parts of the swap. So anyway, that is, and then I just added in the because I don't have the shred, I added in that rainbow one because I figured that's really retro looking too. I don't know how this pinwheel got in here, but I guess I must have just thrown it in since that was the last one. So that is my cute boom bops. I'm so proud. Look, Christian, I made it finally. So anyway, that is that project share. This is one of the gifts that I'll be gifting her, and I have at least one more that I need to do. So I will show you guys in the next video. Bye.